What up, guys? Mike G with MVG Collections on hand. Today, ladies and gentlemen, I got JMC rides and JZ rides. As you guys know, the video that we did on this Rubicon 2018 Rubicon. Guys, we're off-road right now. As you can see, I'm going to spin you around, all right? Give you a nice little treat. So, my guy JZ, all right, is starting up his new channel. I'm going to put his link in the description. As you guys know, JMC rides. Here we go. So from the passenger seat, definitely smooth. You don't really hear too much tire noise. It's a very light, very faint, almost hummingbird sound. Giving you guys the passenger experience. It's definitely got a smooth drive to from the passenger seat. All right, guys, this is almost like off-roading, but we're on the road. Woods on both sides. So this is the experience you guys are gonna get when we do some off-roading. I'll let my partner, I'll let him do the drive, and I'll be his co-pilot and just hold the gimbal like I'm doing now and just show you guys the experience from the passenger seat. As bumpy as it'll be in the Jeep, things should be smooth because my gimbal will keep everything steady. So guys, as you can see, the 8.4 U-Connect, identical to how I have in my Daytona 392. It has the same graphic where it's like the water. You see right here is in motion. That's right here. We are going to do a little off-road video, a little practice off-road. This isn't anything extreme, but it will be just something to give you guys a taste of us off-roading. I got my GoPro here. Jay, I was just telling them I got them on a little trial run of off-road. This isn't anything extreme, but I just wanted to let them know this is a taste of what is yet to come once we start doing our thing. All right, guys, here we go. JMC already going over, and here we go. So guys, these Jeeps have great technology in them. All right, guys, so that was the on-road and off-road driving review of JZ Rides 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL Rubicon, and that was brought to you courtesy of JZ Rides. I want to thank JZ Rides for giving me the opportunity to do this review for a second time. Check out his YouTube channel, JZ Rides, and he should have a video coming up soon by the time this video is up. So guys, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to be a wrap.